Months of blistering summer heat, blasting winds, pounding rain and hail. How old is your roof? Think fast. Mother Nature's about to test your roof for leaks. Let the experts at Semper Solaris take a look. Semper Solaris has hundreds of 5-star reviews, is A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, and they're local and veteran-owned. Everybody knows they get the job done with esprit de corps and honor. Semper Solaris is one of very few Owens Corning Platinum preferred contractors and offer a 50-year warranty. They'll install the last roof you'll ever need to buy in this lifetime. Act now and get a free upgrade to our energy-saving cool roof system. Save up to $2,000. Zero down, zero payments, zero interest until 2021. So you can cross your fingers and give it another white-knuckle storm test, or you can call Semper Solaris and sleep well at night. Schedule a roof inspection at sempersolaris.com.